I wish you a happy new year. I wish you a happy new year. I wish you a happy new year and a happy new year. Happy New Year, you guys. I'm so excited, so glad that you made it into 2024, that I made it into 2024, and that every other member of this beautiful family made it into the new year, you guys. And I am super excited, first of all, for the channel, okay, for how far we have gone on Simply Shuga. Thank you guys for all the love. I decided to dedicate this particular video to say thank you to everyone who has shared my videos out, who have, asked questions, who have made recommendations in the comment sections. Those of you who have chatted me up, via DM on Instagram, you guys are the best. I love you guys so much. All of you who leave comments, who like my videos even before you start watching, Kilo Day, you guys are the best, okay? I'm so grateful for this channel, alright, you guys. Especially for those of you who know my journey here on YouTube, how Simply Shuga was bettered, how it all came into play, right? And how we got to this point where we are right now. I know that to some people who might not exactly be anywhere per se, but you guys, we are somewhere, and I am grateful, okay, you guys. We have over 540 amazing persons here on this channel with me watching our videos, engaging and doing all that beautiful stuff. We're almost hitting 600 subscribers, and I am so grateful. And now I am so grateful because these people are not just people who just randomly just want to subscribe to this channel. No, these are people who actually value the content we put on here, who make use of the content, and other amazing thing. Okay, this is almost 600 organic subscribers, and I am so grateful, okay, you guys. Even if I have just about 3 months left, okay, if I don't hit the threshold, I might be using all the watch hours that I've already accumulated in the past few months since I started this channel. You all know that when my mom died about 3 months ago, it also set me back to YouTube. But I mean, we did our best to come back better and good, okay? So in the spirit of the new year, okay, all things have passed away, all things have become new. We are gonna hit all those thresholds, okay? And we are going to get monetized. So help me God, okay? So yes, and that is only if you do all the things you're supposed to do, like this video, share out my videos, encourage your friends, your well-wishers, everybody to subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel, okay? So today, just because it's the spirit of the new year, we are going to be doing a tag. Yes, this is the first time I'm doing something outside, what we do here. Okay, just hold on a second, let me get it together. So we're going to be doing the new year tag today, and I'm so excited to be answering just a few questions, okay, with you guys. If you have any answers to these questions personally too, please drop it in the comment section, okay? Let us, move into this new year with the same energy, with the same vibe, You are getting my vibe, I'm getting your vibe. Yes, let's meet in the comment section below. The first question here says, if you could look back on one memory from last year, 2023, that you wish you could relive, what would it be? Would be celebrating my mom's birthday before she died. So I know I didn't particularly come on here or the other channel to really say it, to give in details all that happened, okay, during the course of the burial and all of that. I even promised you guys some skincare updates based on, my personal experiences and review from around that period. But yeah, maybe we're going to do it sometime in the year, this year. So my mom slumped that Sunday morning exactly 1 week after her birthday. And you see that week, that new week that she slumped, it was on a Sunday she slumped. I was planning for the next weekend because her husband's birthday had been 2 weeks previously, and then her own was a week before. So I wanted to have, celebrate the birthday for them together, by myself, on my own, for the first time, okay, as their child. Usually I would just buy gifts for them, and that was all. But I really was planning to actually celebrate this birthday for them, at least in a bit, celebrate-ish way, get people, bake some cakes, do some snacks, cook a little food and all of that. And then a week to the time that I actually planned for this thing, that was when she collapsed, and then the next thing we heard was that she was gone. Okay, so I wish that I had just taken what I had, because I was waiting for salary. Since YouTube is not paying me yet, so I was waiting for salary. That was why I postponed it till that time that I postponed it. So I just wish that I could have actually just gotten her the gift anyway. If I had bought that birthday gift for her and given it to her, whether I celebrated the birthday in a big way or not, maybe I would have felt a little better. I would have appreciated, at least it would have been a moment, okay, for the both of us. We didn't really or exactly have that mother-daughter moment, for about 2-3 weeks thereabouts before she died. Yeah. So next question, right? It says, what was one New Year's resolution that you accomplished? To be honest, for 2023, for those of you who followed me on my other channel, even in the very first other one, you would know that what I said was I was not going to do any New Year resolution. So I didn't have any New Year resolution because I discovered that most of the time we just write all these things down and then life happens and you just go about life every day, just like that. Sometimes you don't even remember that you did any New Year resolution. Let's be very honest with ourselves, until maybe towards the end of the year again. So I just said, you know what? I know that I don't want to be where I am currently by the end of 2023. And I'm going to try my best every week, every day, every month, okay, to try to push myself forward, to do things that I know that will advance me or that will progress me, whether spiritually, financially, materially, in my business. Okay, I sell perfume oils, for those of you who do not know. And I think I actually did that, and I began to do that before my mom, gave up the ghost. And also, I didn't really have a New Year resolution per se for 2023. So, did you have a New Year resolution? Let me know what it is in the comment section. Were you able to accomplish it? How many resolutions did you have? How many were you able to accomplish? Let me know in the comment section below, you guys. Next question says, 3 words to describe last year. Ambiguous. Last year was ambiguous for me. Last year was redefining, because the experiences, my mom's death and some other incidents that happened, really redefined a lot of things for me, my mentality wise, perception wise, financial wise, generally in life speaking. Okay, you guys, let's call it turning point. It also became, and it is a turning point for my life, whether we like it or not. Okay, so yes. Next question says, best music related creation or inspiration last year by an artist in your opinion. You guys, I can't think of anything off my head right now. Honestly, when I got these questions, I didn't want to pay so much attention to them, okay, so that it will not look like I scripted everything I wanted to come on here to say with you guys. No, I'm going to be as real as it gets with every one of you on this channel. So this is as real as it gets, okay, you guys. Next question says, something you look forward to this coming year. This year, I look forward to hitting monetization threshold for YouTube on this channel, Simply Shuga. I look forward to making a lot of money. I look forward to growing and expanding my business and enjoying and celebrating, the increase in my business. I look forward to announcements and celebration in various aspects of my life, because you guys, there's so many other aspects of my life that I barely ever come to put on the camera, even in my vlog or lifestyle channel, that you guys don't know about, okay, except for very few persons. Just very few persons, okay? I'm looking forward to all of that. Next question says, what did last year teach you? You guys, and that was one of the redefining moments for me. Last year, 2023, taught me that life can only be lived once. No matter what happens, no matter how upset you get with people, love people. Let them, even when they are upset with you, even when they hate you, let them be aware and know that you actually love them and that the things you do for them are in love. Love yourself. And when I say love yourself, when you love yourself, okay, it means that you would give yourself the best. You will not buy one very fine clothes and then keep it under your bag and say you're going to wear it for one special occasion. No, if you love yourself, you will always want to look very good in the best outfits you have every single day of your life. Yes, if you love yourself, you will not deny yourself some certain pleasure. See, last year incident, the kind of money I spent is the kind of money that I've not spent on myself personally. So if situations, problems around me, my family, that does not affect me directly as an individual, okay, as an individual outside my family or family members, can make me spend my own money to the last couple. So why would I spend my last money? I mean, I began to understand why some people who have money or who make certain amount of money do not mind, for example, dashing out their old phones and going to use their money to buy a phone that costs over #1 million, or buy the most expensive clothes, or buy the most expensive shoes. I mean, at the end of the day, all these things are vanities. But I mean, whether it is in heaven that you end up or in hell that you end up, they're not going to use all those things. Those things are here on earth for your benefit. So live your life. But most importantly, like the Bible would always say in the book of Ecclesiastes, that regardless of everything you do, always have it at the back of your mind that there is somebody who created you. There is somebody that you're going to answer to at the end of the day. And it's not your pastor, it's not your father. You're not even going to answer to yourself or to your destiny. You're going to answer to God. By then, your destiny, your purpose, and everything has has passed away with the earth, okay? And then you're faced with God, judge everything that you've done and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that was really what I learned last year. Next question says, we're almost done, you guys. Next question says, what was your most worn clothing item of last year? Hey, my most worn clothing item, I don't know. See, I repeat most of my clothes because I bought them with my money. So I can repeat them as many times as I want. And even the few ones that, I took from my sister's wardrobe or that she really gave to me, they became mine. So I wore them as often as I wanted. But I think I think that was early last year, okay, between the first half of last year. See this clothes I'm wearing now? Yes, it's actually a gown. I wish I can show you guys. Let me see. It's actually a black gown, okay? And then I paired it with this kimono. This is actually a kimono that I'm wearing, you guys, and the belt. This is what I'm wearing, okay? This is what I'm wearing, right? This is what I have on, you guys. You see these outfits? The first half of last year, this outfit is all shege. Shege, the shege where this clothes sit for my hand. I literally had to go and pack it somewhere where I will not even see it, or I will barely see it, okay, not stop of putting it on. And since that time, I packed it for almost 5 months or 4 months now. This is the first time I'm putting it on, okay? Now, next question says, if you were to sum up your year in one word, what would it be? Breathtaking. Breathtaking, both positively and negatively. Okay, you guys, I hit something. Next question says, what are you hoping for more of this coming year? I'm hoping for more of love, more connection, meaningful connections, meaningful friendships and relationships, both business wise, casual relationships, financial relationships. I'm looking forward to marital establishment. Yeah, I'm not married, I'm single. I'm looking forward to all the beautiful things, okay, that God has planned out for my life and destiny in 2024. Next question says, what are you hoping for less of this coming year, 2024? No bad energy, no bad vibes, okay? If I notice bad vibes, if I smell it from 10,000 miles away, I'm going to give you 1 million miles, okay? Offline and online, okay? And I hope, okay, that negativity, bad occurrences, tears, sickness, death does not come near me, my family members, my friends, my fans, okay? And when I say my family members, I mean both offline and online, okay, you guys? Next question says, best book you read last year? I should actually have a name for this thing, okay, you guys, but the problem is that I didn't actually hit my goal, okay, with reading for last year. And then last question says, what is your New Year's resolution for the upcoming year? As regards content creation, like I said, I want to be announced on TikTok. Okay, I want this channel to really be established in 2024. I want to hit 5,000 subscribers at least before the end of 2024 on Simply Shuga YouTube channel. Yes, this YouTube channel. And I want to, of course, be monetized, to have earned my first YouTube paychecks, okay, and earn like several other $1,000, okay, before the end of the year, courtesy of AdSense, YouTube, and most importantly, I hope that before the end of 2024, I get to collaborate with brands, with organizations to review their product, to test their product, to promote their product, and all that beautiful stuff. And that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video to the end, you guys. Did you find it interesting? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, like this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked, okay, any part of this video, or you appreciate my smile or the fact that I came up here to say Happy New Year to you guys. And of course, most importantly, please share all these videos, help us hit our next milestone, okay? And thank you once again for watching this video till the end. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video. Stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.